gotta lay it brick by brick. And you gotta stack them days, man. You gotta want it for yourself, you gotta want it for your brother. And that's real. You know what I'm saying? Because everybody in here got a chance to go to that next level.
Who said that, Coach Reddish? Hey, Coach, listen. I'm in my bag right now, Coach. We're gonna sit. Hey, look, hey, this how you know I'm really in my mode. We're gonna sit. Go. Good. I'm about to say, yo. We're gonna sit. Ready? 2 point, Chris. 2 point. Go. Good. Hey, listen, they ain't gonna be able to put shit on us today. We're gonna sit. Three hands, huh? Hands and feet tied together. One time. Hey, make sure we going under the hands under the armpits, thumbs up. We gonna set. Go. We gonna set. Go. We ain't gotta run out feet. We just wanna lock out. We gonna set. Go. Good. Y'all at the top of y'all last. Nah, we go sit. Go. Good. Sit. Go sit. Go. Good. At the top, let's go same thing. All right, let's go. We're gonna shed outside. Hey, remember, when we go off the shed, we want to do what? Sink our hips, square up, get ready to make that tackle. No point in defeating the block if you don't finish. We're gonna set. Go. Hey, I want to pull it back a little bit. And guys, again, everything should be simulated what you're gonna do in the game. So when you come off that tackle, you're not gonna make that tackle flat-footed. Close that ground, explode through the tackle. All right? You want to dislodge the ass from the football. We're gonna set. Go. Give me a skate move. And you drop your hands, skate move. Yep, we're gonna set. Go. Hey, fake it. You gonna rip. That shit gotta be violent. You fight and stay square. Don't just turn your hips. We're gonna go 2 at a time. This is going first. Understand? We're using the line as the line of scrimmage, right? If I see your pads and turn for wrong, fight and stay square. Keep knock back. Reset the line of scrimmage. Here we go. Second whistle. Biggest thing. Violent escape. You finish on the second whistle. I'm taking out the ball. Wait for the whistle. I got you. Violent escape, guys. Don't go through the motions. Violent escape. You're not going to hurt your teammate. Violent escape. Let it go. Talk, guys. Talk. Hey, you see him going. Hey, I see you like that swim off the escape block. You got to finish with that shit, right? When you swim, don't just go arm over. Swing that arm back to get that guy arm over. You can go rip. It's rip. Hey, so then you gotta do what? All the way up. Shit like an uppercut. You ever play Street Fighter? That shit like a fucking ball you get. Exactly. I want to call your ass Montez Swift because he remind me of. you got to know your guys. All right, give me 2 guys right here. One on either side. All right, so obviously we can be shaded on one guy. So let's say I'm shaded on the feet. What I want to do is snap the ball, boom, hit it, engage with him, take him upfield. Now all that guy can do, at best he can get to my hip. That's it, right? But if I'm going vertical now, he's not going to be able to root me out of there. All right, so all we want to really work on right here is boom, stepping, getting vertical, eliminating that guy's ability to come and try to overtake us on that scoop or that double team. We go about half speed. We ain't trying to kill each other. We go sit. Go. There we go. Good job. Just rotate. Get a little rotation. We gonna sit. Go. Good job. Hey, now look, right? All right, so then look. When we're on the sled, we head up. We want to go thumbs up, right under the armpits. Anytime we're playing half a man, we want to go inside hand on that collar, outside hand under the armpit. Y'all got me? All right. Because what happens is if we go here, a lot of times when that guy's trying to work that way, we end up with our gap hand still on the man. I want to go here, so now if he's going that way, I can free up my gap arm and leg to make a tackle. Y'all follow me? All right, here we go. Go. Good job, boy. Good job. All right. Only thing I say with feet, try not to turn your butt, right? Work your hips, right? But try to keep your shoulders and your butt as square as possible. All right. That's a good job with that initial get off though. Here we go, set, go. Good. Everybody went? All right, let's go. Now we're gonna work. All right, we're gonna work now more so of a scoop like zone. So if I'm the come here, Rafiq. All right. So let's say you're right here. All right, come right here, Dixon. So now what we're working is we're trying to go here up to here. Right, so he's trying to overtake you. So that's exactly what you want to do. As I'm working lateral, right, stay on my hip, get vertical. Don't let him overtake you. All right. You go set. Yep, that's your key. Here we go. Set. Go. Good job.
Y'all ready? Yeah.
So here's the thing.